Hey y'all, welcome back to another video where we're about to spill all the latest tea that's making rounds on the internet. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with the life and lies of all your favorite internet influencers. With that, let's jump straight into this video. This week was definitely a crazy one for the internet. Sit down if you're standing up, and if you're already sitting down, well, hold on to something strong because you don't know what is coming. Charli D'Amelio is currently one of the biggest names on the internet. Owing most of her fame to TikTok, Charli has made quite a name for herself through her quirky and relatable personality. With over 88 million followers on the viral video app, it's evident that there's no stopping our girl Charli. This talented young TikToker has tons of incredible opportunities coming her way. And why wouldn't she? Charli is literally TikTok's biggest star, gaining 1 million followers every single day. This has to be some sort of world record, right? At only 16 years old, Charli D'Amelio has partnered up with some of the biggest brands in the world. She's collaborated with Dunkin' Donuts to create her own iced coffee called The Charli, which took the entire world by storm. Just the fact that a multi-million-dollar company decided to name one of their drinks in Charli's honor is enough to understand this young star's impact on pop culture. And as if that wasn't enough, Charli also recently released her own makeup line with her sister Dixie through a partnership with Morphe, earning herself even more recognition. Of course, with all of this going on, it's no surprise that Charli also interacts with some of the biggest stars in Hollywood on a regular basis. However, everyone knows that this talented TikToker is obsessed with Jennifer Lopez. I mean, let's be honest, who isn't? Being a dancer, Charli has said on multiple occasions that J.Lo is one of her many inspirations and that one of her wildest dreams is to be able to perform with the iconic star. Well, what Charli didn't know was that her greatest dream would come true in the span of only a few months, when in February, the TikToker was given an opportunity to star in a video with none other than J.Lo herself. The duo was seen dancing to Lopez's famous song On the Floor as part of the promotions for her performance at the Super Bowl. The iconic TikTok has since amassed over 2.7 million views and was a huge event in Charli's career. After all, it's not every day that a 16-year-old gets to perform alongside someone as influential as Jennifer Lopez. But that's not where the story ends. Surprisingly, J.Lo reached out to Charli once again. In a vlog where Charli takes her viewers through a video set that she's working on, she reveals that J.Lo invited her to be part of her new music video for the song Patti, where Charli is going to be showing off all her crazy moves. The vlog also shows Charli dancing in front of a green screen as behind the scenes of the upcoming music video, and she looks absolutely delighted to be there, doing what she loves. And if that wasn't enough, right at the end of her rehearsal, Jennifer Lopez herself FaceTimed Charli to make sure that the young star was being taken care of on the set. The conversation shows a playful exchange between the two stars, as J.Lo threatens to beat anyone up who tries to mess with the TikTok prodigy. J.Lo then went on to call Charli a sweetheart and thanked her for being part of the video. In turn, Charli is obviously flustered and thanks J.Lo for all her love and the chance to star in one of her songs. Now isn't that sweet? This lovable exchange between J.Lo and Charli was all the promotion Patti needed, because the song garnered over 1 million views in just 13 hours. And it's pretty obvious that Charli's appearance in the beginning and end of the song might have a lot to do with these numbers, considering how crazy her fandom is. Speaking of crazy, remember the whole Dixie D'Amelio and Griffin situation? Yeah, well, that drama doesn't seem to be ending anytime soon. After Dixie's iconic TikTok where she exposed Griffin for being a cheater, a lot has went down. It seems like everyone is trying to use this whole situation for 2 seconds of clout on the internet. This includes Addison Rae's ex-boyfriend, Bryce Hall, who called out members of the Hype House for always being involved in drama, while he conveniently chose to avoid the fact that he himself has cheated on Addison in the past. Bold of him to be talking about drama, am I right? After all of this, it was pretty obvious that most of the internet was on Dixie's side. But when Griffin took to Twitter to publicly apologize to Dixie for all that he did to her, everyone believed that the drama was finally put to the rest and that we could all move on. But on the internet, there is no such thing as an end to the drama. The situation escalated once again when Griffin decided to release a diss track about Dixie, when in fact, he was the one who cheated on her. We don't know about you, but this literally does not make any sense to us. Griffin used his diss track titled Convenient to straight up blame Dixie for his serial cheating, which did not sit well with, well, just about anyone. He also blamed her for airing their dirty laundry in front of everyone by letting it slip that the two had broken up. What surprised fans even more was the fact that Griffin blatantly admitted that he wasn't sorry about cheating on Dixie because she's the one who lost interest in their relationship. So it's safe to say that Griffin has clearly not gone through a lot of character development. But hey, maybe all the hate he's receiving from his fans after the song's release will be enough for him to know the damage he's done is irreversible. However, Dixie was completely done with her ex at this point because she used his own track against him to post screenshots of him trying to hook up with other girls while the couple was still together. Griffin also threw shade at Noah Beck, Dixie's rumored new boyfriend, in the track for absolutely no reason at all. Just when it seemed like the situation was finally over, Griffin's diss track might be the very thing that hits the last nail on the coffin. Fans are claiming that Griffin could have handled the situation a lot more maturely than he decided to, and that he should just leave Dixie and Noah alone at this point. After all, what in the world had they ever done to him? The entire ordeal was extremely embarrassing for Griffin, to say the least, but we have to give it to him. The man had the patience and intelligence to stay quiet and wait for the storm to blow over. However, it seems as if Griffin has finally realized the effect of his actions. The diss track, which was released on the streaming platforms Apple Music and Spotify, is now nowhere to be seen. Griffin himself has made no comment on the situation, and the song is still up and monetized on YouTube, making us all wonder what the heck is going on here. While it's still unclear as to why Griffin decided to remove his song from all streaming platforms but YouTube, the damage has clearly been done. Maybe he's regretting the backlash, maybe he's not, and maybe this is just a weak attempt to save his own career. Whatever the case is, our girl Dixie seems to be thriving in her own career without letting any of this negativity take her down. Well done, Dixie! Wasn't that intense? From Charli's top trending music video to Dixie's diss track drama, that's all for the tea we had to spill this time. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to stay updated with all the drama that takes place on the internet, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to let us know in the comments what you have to say about all of this drama. We'd love to hear what you think. With that, we're at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time with another scalding hot tea session. Bye!